Does arugula boost testosterone? A study shows that arugula leaf extract can boost testosterone levels and sperm activity. Hey everyone, I'm Ashley and welcome to the School of Well-Being. Today I'm gonna share the amazing benefits of superfood arugula. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any future videos about well-being life. Arugula is a leafy green vegetable with multiple common names, such as salad rocket, garden rocket, rocket, and colewort. It is a superfood from the plant family Brassicaceae and is a relative to cabbage, collards, and cauliflower. This green leafy superfood is often mistaken for a lettuce or salad green, but it's a cruciferous vegetable with vitamin A, folate, fiber, calcium, and many antioxidant compounds. Arugula has small, flat leaves and long stems. It is delicious raw and can be enhanced with a quick sauté or light steaming. It is also low in calories and full of vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals, providing many benefits. While it can be a bit bitter, the peppery and tart flavor is a potent aphrodisiac. Interestingly, ancient Romans ate arugula for good luck. You can also press its seeds to make taramira oil, suitable for pickling, cooking and salad dressing. Nutritional of arugula. According to USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, 100 grams of raw arugula offers the nutrients. Arugula has a rich nutritional that can offer various health benefits. It is low in calories and contains some proteins, making it healthy for your weight loss diet. In addition, it is a rich source of vitamin A and C. Vitamin C possesses antioxidant properties and boosts immunity. At the same time, vitamin A helps improve your eyesight. Overall, arugula contains several essential minerals and nutrients, making it a healthy choice for you. Here are 10 benefits of arugula. 1. Supports weight loss. Arugula is a low-calorie vegetable, making it a good choice for those on a diet. It only has about 25 calories per 100 gram serving. Most importantly, the fewer carbohydrates and good amount of fiber in arugula positively affect any attempts at weight loss. In addition, this vegetable satisfies many nutritional needs without adding unnecessary calorie load to your diet. Therefore, you don't need to worry about weight gain while eating arugula. 2. Suppress inflammation. Arugula contains isothiocyanates and 3-carbinol, which studies show can suppress inflammation in the body. These bioactive compounds in arugula control oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, particularly in cases of metabolic syndrome. Moreover, a recent study shows that arugula was part of a daily intake of leafy greens in the anti-inflammatory diet for those with rheumatoid arthritis. 3. Detoxifies body. Arugula has vitamin C, chlorophyll and antioxidants, which help keep your body free of toxins. Arugula has a lot of qualities that contribute to keeping the liver and body healthy. In addition to chlorophyll, its antioxidants neutralize free radicals, heavy metals, harsh chemicals and pesticides that enter your body through diet. The result is an illness-free, disease-free body and healthy liver. Arugula also strengthens the immune system to fight cancer, aging and heart disease. 4. Improves vision. Beta-carotene is beneficial for your eyes because it scavenges free radicals that could harm the retina. It also contains properties that recycle lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect the eye's surface. Arugula is dense in beta-carotene content, offering around 14-20 microgram per 100 grams. Arugula helps prevent problems with eyesight, including macular degeneration and poor night vision. It also has plenty of omega-3s that act as antioxidants and help reduce the risk of getting cataracts. Therefore, arugula eaters might be able to slow down cataracts, the classic symptom of old age, by increasing carotenoids in the diet. 5. Good for pregnancy. Expecting mothers need to eat more iron, folate, calcium, protein, vitamins A, B and C, magnesium and zinc. And arugula is an excellent source for them. For example, this vegetable contains about 24% of the recommended daily folate intake. In addition, a study shows that folate reduces occurrences of some mental defects for newborns and is also intrinsic to fetal development. So for expecting mothers, arugula is a healthy choice for prenatal care. 6. Helps in digestion. Arugula contains a high fiber content and will help with indigestion if you are prone to it. Eating arugula is also good for your digestive system, colon, gut lining and other organs. Though it's a lesser discussed green for digestion, arugula's high amounts of magnesium and vitamin C can promote a healthy digestive system. These necessary nutrients promote regularity and healthy digestion by decreasing stress and inflammation. 7. Aphrodisiac. A study shows that arugula leaf extract can boost testosterone levels and sperm activity. As a result, it simultaneously increases sexual desire and improves fertility. These results suggest that the phytochemicals in arugula have aphrodisiac and fertility-enhancing properties. Historically, arugula has been an aphrodisiac since the 1st century to boost sexual health. In addition, the trace minerals and antioxidants in arugula help block environmental contaminants that negatively affect your libido. 8. Improve skin health. Arugula extract is commonly used in folk medicine to treat and prevent skin conditions, such as eczema, dry skin, and acne by adding it to the diet. It works by releasing anti-inflammatory compounds that fight against the damaging effects of free radicals. In addition, arugula can improve cellular resilience and elasticity when consumed regularly and protect your skin from aging. 9. Improves bone health. Arugula is good high-calcium food. For adults, you should eat 1,000 milligrams of calcium per day, and arugula provides 160 milligrams in a cup of 100-gram serving. In addition, vitamin K in arugula promotes calcium reabsorption and regeneration of muscles and blood coagulation. Therefore, people recovering from bone injuries and osteoporosis patients can eat the leaves of this vegetable for better recovery. 10. Rich in cancer-fighting antioxidants. A study states that the carotenoids and flavonoids in arugula can be a potent cancer preventative measure. It also says that arugula has more anti-cancer potential than other commonly consumed cruciferous vegetables. For example, the anti-cancer potential of mature arugula leaves was higher than that of broccoli, cabbage, wasabi, kohlrabi, and radishes. However, radish and broccoli sprouts appear to have more cancer-fighting properties than arugula sprouts. Side effects of arugula. Generally, arugula is safe to eat and has no known food-related allergies. Still, leafy greens like arugula contain small amounts of oxalate, which can produce kidney stones. Therefore, it is best to talk with your doctor about adding arugula to your diet if you've previously had calcium oxalate stones. Arugula belongs to the cruciferous family, including broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. These vegetables are known for causing gas and bloating. So, if you are prone to indigestion, you might want to avoid arugula or eat it in moderation. Another potential problem with arugula is that it can interfere with blood thinners such as Coumadin, warfarin. Therefore, if you take this medication, you should check with your doctor before eating arugula or other cruciferous vegetables. In general, arugula is safe for most people to eat. However, as with any food, a few people may be allergic to it. If you experience any allergic reaction after eating arugulas, such as hives or swelling, seek medical attention immediately. How to use it. Arugula is delicious raw, and it can be used as a healthy add-on topping for pizza, nachos, sandwiches, and wraps. It can be served as a side salad with nothing more than a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. It also makes an excellent base for more substantial salad recipes. Try adding cherry tomatoes, grilled chicken, and walnuts to arugula for a protein-packed, low-calorie meal. Arugula's leaf shape and taste also make it an interesting complement to citrus fruit and berry salads. Arugula can be used as an alternative to basil to make hot or cold pesto. This recipe uses arugula, parmesan, and pine nuts with succulent results. When arugula is cooked, it loses some of its peppery punch, becoming mellower in taste. This recipe adds arugula to squash and goat cheese pasta. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And feel free to leave your comments down below.